How to add member to Costco Card? There are many types of Costco Card memberships like Gold, Business, etc. So if you want to add members to your Gold membership card, you have to give some information about the person you want to add. Then he can also use Costco Card very easily. But if you have a business membership, you have to pay additional fees to add member to your Costco Card. So open the Costco app and click on Business Details. Then choose Add New Affiliate Card Holder. Give the necessary information, that's it. You can use your Costco card very easily. Thank you for watching the video.